Friends, Running Kimono here. We have a fantastic week over at Walgreens for the week of the 18th to the 24th, and lots of freebies, cheapies, depending what boosters you have. And if you're just going to go in there and do a couple quick deals, I also have you covered. There's so many great deals for cheap shampoo this week at our favorite pharmacy. Now, at the very end of this video, I'm going to give you my quick hot take on the Dollar General and their quarter sale after Christmas. Many of us anticipated this would be happening on the 20th. I don't believe it will be. I will elaborate at the end of this video. For those of you that are really been asking me questions, I will answer everything at the end of this video. Very end of this video, I'm going to show you a basket with one of these boosters. The 4-pack when you buy 2 dental care, that is curbside only. The 7-pack when you spend $35, and then if you might have a 5-pack when you spend $15, those two are in fact stacking. If you might have been so lucky to get both. Always your mileage may vary what booster you get. This one exactly that I'm talking about. So if you were going to spend $35, you're going to get $12 back. A lot of people would just hop on that deal. So yeah. We'll talk about that at the very end of the video as well. Along with this morning, we got a lot of only for you digital coupons, which are really high value. They're catered to everybody's account, a little bit different. So go into your digital coupons folders. These should be itemized at the very tippy top, and make sure you clip them by pressing the plus sign so you have them on your account. Lots of skincare and razors and the stuff that we absolutely love. Before we hop into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the algorithm if you could just like the video, and then if you have the hype button, press that one too. That would really make my Sunday. Deal we're looking at is curbside, meaning you're ordering this through the Walgreens app, paying for it, and then driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. These items, unfortunately, are not priced the same in-store as they are curbside, so that's why we're doing it curbside. You're going to load these 2 coupons, $7 of Cetaphil coupons, and you're looking for very specific Cetaphil products that include this serum for $12.49, and as you see, both of the digital coupons are attaching. Buy one, get one 50% off. You only need one, and then one of these, it's salicylic acid lotion. I don't know why they always throw acid in there because it seems rather dangerous, but it's $3.49 as part of the BOGO 50%. And then just to show you over on IBOTTA, make sure you have these rebates. It's $5 back on the serum, and then $4 back on the salicylic acid lotion. I can't even say that. That's $9 back, guys. The time ticker is on the lotion. Make sure you have it. When you go to the store to get your transaction, ask the cashier to process it through a regular register as you desperately need a receipt. But tossing 2 of those in a basket, WAG 10 will not work. You're at $9.94. You're 6 cents short from that $10 threshold, so throw in some clearance candy or something. If you have that weird booster of spend 15 to earn back 5, you're going to get back 5 there, plus photograph for $9 back, not factoring in the tax. It makes the that moisturizing lotion and that oil completely free by Cetaphil, and this is a top brand company, so fantastic. And if you have that 5-pack when you spend 15, you'll have to pay with your debit card. If you don't, you can use Walgreens cash. Now we're back to in-store deals, and the first we're going to look at is to pick up 3 of the Garnier fructis shampoos. The whole blends are far too much out of pocket, so it's definitely a week for the fructis, and you need to grab exactly 3 of them. This morning we were given this really generous 5 off of 3 digital coupon, so make sure you have this friend loaded. They kind of changed it on us this week. And these shampoos are also $4.49 this week. And you get a $5 reward when you purchase 3 with that 5 off 3 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of those shampoos, it's going to be $13.47. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're paying $8.47, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $3.47 for the 3 or $1.15 per Garnier. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but it is definitely a fabulous deal for some very cheap shampoo. This one, I'm going to let you guys know off the cuff, it might be a harder cereal to find at your store. I know that my store last fall stopped carrying it. It is the Post Grape Nuts or Grape Flakes that are $1.99 this week. And as you see, $1.99, and this is a 20-ounce box of the Grape Nuts Original. The box is from 1982, but it's the correct amount of ounces. It's a very compact cereal as well. Over on IBOTTA, there's a $1.25 back. It says 18 ounces or larger. This will qualify with a limit of up to 5 times. And if you look below, the second store listed is Walgreens. Meijer always comes up for me as I live closer to my Meijer grocery store than Walgreens, so that's why. But grabbing one of these cereals, you'll pay that $1.99, get a $1.25 back from IBOTTA, making it 74 cents. I think the original price for this cereal in a pharmacy is like almost $6, so it's almost 90% off. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but what a deal. Stock up, especially if you love cereal. The Dove shampoo, this deal is back again this week. These cutie pies are $5 each, and we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. For whatever reason, this coupon never tends to come off, so just be mindful. Call customer service if it does not come off. They are $5 a pop, and you get a $4 reward when you purchase 2 with that 4 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these shampoos for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $6, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but between Garnier and this, stock up on the cheap shampoo so you have it for your family and for your stockpile. The next super duper deal is the $5 Scope mouth rinse. I actually ran out of mouthwash yesterday, and my husband's like, you need to go to the store and get some. I'm like, how am I out of mouthwash? He must drink this stuff in the middle of the night or something. But we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. So you need this one loaded. And the promotion with this is that when you buy 2 $5 Scope products, you get back a $4 register reward. And this Scope is actually 5 on the nose. So grabbing 2 of those, it's 10. Subtracting your 4 off a 2, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per Scope. I don't think I've ever seen that price point for this mouth rinse lately, so that's a very good price point. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Another fantastic deal for dental care is with the Colgate brush and paste. And stock up, guys, because this is a very good deal. They are $4.50 each, $3 reward when you purchase 2, and we have a $2.50 off of a brush and a $2.50 off of a paste. So load these little friends. I don't like the Colgate mouth rinse. I think it's very like a weird film in your mouth. I've never liked it, so I'd rather go with their toothbrushes. But load these 2 coupons, that's $5 off. So looking at the math here, 2 of these for $9, $2.50 off of each, that's $5 melting off. You're going to pay 4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but for 50 cents, this is definitely a stock up price if I've ever heard or seen of one, just so you have it for your stockpile. The Dove body wash, I absolutely love this deep moisture or the sensitive skin one. I think they're the 2 best in the line. We have this, which is a 5 off a 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have this friend loaded. And they are a little bit more expensive, but if you need it, you need it. They're $8. $3 reward when you purchase 2 with that very generous 5 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these friends is $16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per unit. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely, if you think $4 is not a bad price point, I would definitely stock up, considering these are usually like just under $10 on a non-sales week. Other great deals over at Walgreens is this Febreze Small Spaces. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, and with that, for the sales price this week, I think it's $3 and some change. It's 99 cents after everything's said and done. And these really can make your basement or bathroom really smell great. So I know why they are so popular. Another deal I absolutely love this week is with the Walgreens freezer bags. They are on a promotion of buy one, get two for free, $2.79 for the first and two for free. So if you do the math for that, it's 93 cents per box of 20. You can use this for everything from freezing meat to storing crafts, or if you like to organize stuff in bags. This is just a super deal, and we love this price point. So I'm going to show you two different transactions with this booster. If you wanted to go to that $30 one, obviously you'd be a little short, or $35 one, you'd have to add a little bit extra. But we're just going to look at the one booster because I think this is what the majority of you might have. All of these paper products are $5.49 on a promotion that when you buy 4, you get back a $5 register reward, and all of these have dollar digital coupons attaching with. I apologize, guys. I was in there first thing, and the staff in there didn't have all the tags hung. It doesn't happen till about lunchtime. So this is what we're looking at. I'm just showing you from the weekly ad. So grabbing 4 of these, it's going to be $21.96. Remember, you need an assortment and have all of your digital coupons loaded. That's $4 off. Have that e-booster loaded that I showed you at the beginning. You're going to pay $17.96 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward for buying the 4 units of paper, plus $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.96 for the 4, or $1.99 per fancy paper. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that booster, but not a bad little deal. The final deal that we're looking at with this booster, we're just going to throw in just a different assortment of items. We're going to throw in 3 of the Garnier shampoos for $13.47, and then 1 box of the Great Grain cereal for $1.99. The total there is $15.46. You have the $5 digital melting off for the Garnier shampoo, plus you have your e-booster loaded. That's very important. So you're going to pay $10.46 with your debit card, get back a $5 register reward for the Garnier, $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster, plus you're photographing your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.25 back for the Great Grains, making this haul completely free. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash. As you're using that booster, spend $15 to earn back $5, but this is a very smart basket. Okay, guys, the last thing we're going to talk about is the quarter sale that's been happening. I don't know, I've been doing this 11 years, and I've done it 11 years in a row, with the exception of this year, which is January the 20th of 2026. Lots of stores around me, and I live in the middle of nowhere. I think they put a memo out to the employees to pack up all of Christmas, and like everything was gone by the end of the week, and I went to a couple different Dollar Generals. Baking, air care, all of that is going to $70 on Tuesday the 20th, but all of the Christmas stuff around me is packed up. If you find the odd straggler item, like a little piece of garland or whatever, I don't know if it's going to be 70% off still. Is it going to go back to full price, or is it going to penny out? I do not know. We're not going to know till the 20th, and that's why I took down the video that I made on Tuesday. I just don't want misinformation on a court of me of saying, well, this is how it was the last 12 years. It's obviously they changed the rules on us, and the fact that they're going to sell this stuff to wholesaling to a resale rabbit, or an outfit like a Ollie's or something like that, one of those bin stores. I mean, they've been in our stores for months, and everybody in the town's played with the candy canes, and now they're going to sell it. So good luck with that. We'll have to wait and see till Tuesday. I'm super disappointed and super bummed. There was some items I was looking to get for a quarter, but I think a lot of you are sharing my exact same sentiment, and lots of stores were doing weird stuff with Christmas clearance this year, and I hope that a lot of you went and shopped Meijer, Walmart, and other stores. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.